On a quiet August night in 1977, a massive radio telescope in Ohio caught something unusual, something that would become one of the greatest mysteries in astronomy. When astronomer Jerry Amen reviewed the data, he was so astonished, he grabbed a red pen and scribbled a single word in the margin. Could this have been a message from another world? For decades, scientists have tried to explain it, and yet the WOW signal remains a cosmic riddle, whispering across time. Long before that night, scientists had already begun listening to the stars, searching for any sign that we are not alone. In 1960, astronomer Frank Drake launched Project Ozma, the first modern SETI experiment. He tuned his telescope to the 21-centimeter hydrogen line, a natural channel of the universe, emitted by hydrogen, the most common element of all. Drake believed any intelligent civilization might use that same frequency to say hello, but after months of listening, the cosmos stayed silent. Still, the attempt sparked a revolution, the birth of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Over the following years, astronomers formulated the Drake equation, estimating how many civilizations might be out there. In 1974, humanity even sent its own message, the Arecibo message, beamed toward a distant star cluster. By the mid-1970s, observatories were scanning the sky every night, listening for the faintest hint of a voice in the dark. One of them was Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope, a giant metal ear the size of 3 football fields, 2 huge aluminum walls, a flat reflecting surface. It didn't move. Instead, the Earth's rotation swept the sky across its gaze. For over 20 years, Big Ear listened, patiently recording the hiss of the universe, until one night, something extraordinary happened. Big Ear is pointed toward Sagittarius, near the heart of our Milky Way. The night is calm, static hums quietly. Then suddenly, a sharp spike in radio intensity bursts through the noise. For exactly 72 seconds, the signal grows stronger and stronger, then fades away, 30 times louder than the background. At a frequency of 1420 megahertz, the hydrogen line, the very frequency scientists expected an alien beacon to use. A few days later, Jerry Amen reviews the printouts, row after row of dull numbers, until one line leaps out, 6EQUJ5, a strong, clean, narrowband signal. He circles it and writes softly, "Wow." Word spreads quickly. The signal came from Sagittarius, near Chi Sagittarii, and it was tuned perfectly to the hydrogen line. Could this be a deliberate transmission? Scientists rush to test it. Big Ear has 2 feed horns. The signal should have been caught twice, once in each horn, 3 minutes apart. But it appeared in only one. By the time the seconds swept past, it was gone. For weeks, they searched the same patch of sky. Nothing. The mysterious voice from the stars had come and gone. So what made the WOW signal so unique? Its shape, its frequency, its purity. It rose and fell exactly as a deep space signal should. It was focused, narrow, and precise, as if someone had tuned a transmitter to a single note and played it across the stars. Even that strange code, 6EQUJ5, wasn't a hidden message. It simply showed intensity over time, rising to U, then fading away. No modulation, no data, just power, pure and steady. Naturally, scientists wanted answers. Over the years, many theories emerged. Let's explore the most fascinating. First, the most thrilling idea, an extraterrestrial beacon. Perhaps a distant civilization sent out a focused pulse, and for 72 seconds, our planet drifted through its path. The signal never repeated, maybe because the beam moved on. Even today, many still believe the WOW signal could be our first real contact. Then, there's the terrestrial idea, interference from Earth, a reflection from a satellite, a bounce off space debris. But at that frequency, 1420 megahertz, no transmitters are allowed. That frequency is strictly reserved for radio astronomy, and the fade matched a sky source, not an echo. If it came from Earth, it fooled physics itself. In 2016, astronomer Antonio Paris proposed the comet theory. Two comets, unknown in 1977, were nearby. Their hydrogen clouds might have mimicked the signal, but when tested, no comet ever produced a burst that strong. Scientists dismissed the idea. And then, a newer possibility. In 2024, researchers suggested a magnetar's flare may have illuminated a hydrogen cloud, creating a natural, laser-like burst. It's a clever idea, but so far, unproven. So, what was it? An alien call? A fluke of physics? Or something beyond our understanding? Whatever it was, its legacy endures. The WOW signal became a cornerstone of SETI, a reminder that even one anomaly can change how we see the universe. Every new detection since is compared to that single night in 1977. It also captured the public's imagination. Books, documentaries, even The X-Files mentioned it. In 2012, on its anniversary, humans sent a reply. 10,000 tweets and messages beamed back toward that same patch of sky. Our own WOW echo, cast into the void. The original printout, the one Jerry Eamon marked that night, now rests in a museum in Ohio. Big Ear is gone, replaced by a golf course, but its discovery lives on. Today, projects like Breakthrough Listen continue the search, scanning billions of frequencies across the heavens. Yet after all these years, no other signal has matched the clarity, the power, or the mystery of WOW. Maybe one day, we'll hear another. Maybe not. But the question remains, are we alone? It's been nearly 50 years since that signal appeared. Just 72 seconds, and half a century of wonder. Was it a call from the stars? A whisper from the cosmos? Or something our science still can't explain? We may never know, but that fleeting wow changed the way we listen to the universe. And it reminds us that sometimes, a single moment can echo forever. Until we hear another voice in the static, the wow signal will remain the greatest maybe in human history. What do you think it was?